Hello my friends. For this tutorial, I wanna show you how to make CNC 3D G-code and write your name on a pencil using CNC. First, open the ArtCam. Go to the File, New, Model. Here we need to measure the width and here the height. Here we set the width and height of the pencil. Point on millimeter. Click OK. Here we click on Text Tools. And here you can write your name as you can see. Then drag it to the right direction. Here you can set the font. And here you can set the measure of font. For better conclusions for engraving, we need the font to be bold. Then we click on Done. Then click on Constant Height. Here set the top height 0.5 millimeter. Set bottom height on 1 millimeter. Also, you can change the shape of the top height with this point. Then click on OK. Click on 3D. Now you can see your 3D name. Click on Smooth Relief. Put the point in the whole layer. Set the smoothing passes on 2. Click on Apply, then click on Cancel. Click on Toolpaths. In 3D Toolpaths, click on Machine Relief. Click on Select. As you see, tool section is unverified now. Click on 2002, then click on Edit. Be careful about the numbers. Step over is your engraving's resolution. If you need higher quality, you need to set a lower number, but it greatly increases the duration of your engraving process. However, before setting this number, you need to check the flat radius of your engraving tool. Click on OK. Click on 2002 and then click on Select. As you see here, Unverified now changed to 2002. In Material section, click on Setup. Do Measure Material Thickness. Set Material Thickness on 6.9. Set the point here. Click on OK. Click on Now. In Toolpaths bar, click on Simulate Toolpath. Set the point in Standard. Click on Simulate Toolpath. This is your engraving shape. In Toolpaths bar, click on Save Toolpath As. Move your toolpath to the right. Click on the arrow. Set your G-code type on TAP. Then click on Save. Write your file name and save. Click on Close. Drag your G-code file to the text notepad and see it. Open GRBL Control software. Click on the file, then open. Select your G-code file and open it. Now we need to set the 0 point of CNC. Finally, click on Send to start the operation.